Creating a template. When a tender requires a standard set of documents, the easiest way is to create a master template, then select the template and documents during tender creation. Updating the template documents ensures that the standard documents are always up to date for everyone when creating a new tender. To create a new template, select the Library menu, then click Create a new template. Enter a template name and optional description, then click Create Template. After the template has been created, a new tab will appear where categories, item types and the evaluation type can be set. After saving the template properties, template editors are redirected to the template overview screen, where new users, documents, and evaluations are added. Documents can be created from scratch, or imported, exactly the same way as when creating tender documents. Add a new document. In this example we are importing a document. And optionally set the vendor response requirements. Open the template document. The document structure is exactly the same as in a tender document, apart from the section settings, which have template-specific properties. The heading properties sets numbering on the headings. The section numbering sets numbering on sections. The section properties changes the paragraph name, review interval, section owner, section status, and sets the editable or non-editable status for each section. The content properties changes the section name, specialist user, and section status. And finally, the last section lists which templates are using that specific section. Go through adding all the template documents, and setting the evaluations, until the template is ready for use. If any vendor templates are included, give the vendors access. During template creation, the status of the template will be under construction and cannot be used. When the template is ready, it needs to be made available for use. After the template has been made available, it will show in the template list during tender creation. Select the template from the drop-down list, then choose which documents to include in the tender. After the tender has been created, all of the template documents and evaluation settings are copied over, and the documents just need to be approved. If any section in a template document need updating, it has to be taken offline first, and the template status will change from available to under construction. Edit the section, and depending on the user's permission, either submit for approval or approve the section. After the document has been approved, it can be made available for use again.